3 easy kids songs on guitar. Let's jump straight in.
Guitar for Kids with David Aldridge.
If you're learning to play for your sis, or you're gonna surprise mum and dad with your guitar playing, or even if you're playing at grandma's party, these 3 songs today are gonna impress everyone. So just follow along with me and let's jump straight in. And remember, you can pause and rewatch the video as often as you'd like. So the first song we're going to learn is Smoke on the Water. Here we go. I'm going to be using my first finger and all the notes are on string 6, which is this one here. I'm going to be using a guitar pick, but it's also okay to use your thumb to pluck the string. And remember, we're going to use the fingertip to push the string down, and to get a really clear and non-buzzing sound, we're going to use the fingertip, the bony part of the finger, and we're going to tuck up right next to the fret, which is the metal strip. So here we go. We're going to play an open string, so we're not pushing down, just like this. And then the 3rd fret. And then we're going to move to the 5th fret. Back to the open. And then the 3rd again. And then this time the 6th fret. 5th fret. Open. 3rd fret, 5th fret, back to the 3rd, and then open again. Brilliant. Okay, now if you need to pause the video and just learn that part, that's absolutely fine. But I'm just going to play it a few times now so you can hear how it sounds when we add the rhythm. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so that's just a really super cool riff you're going to impress everyone with. Okay, let's jump on to the next song, which is called Seven Nation Army. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel and be the first notified when I post new videos just like this one. So we're going to start on the 4th string at the 2nd fret, and we're going to play that twice, and then an open 3rd string, back to the 2nd fret on string 4, open string 4, then the 3rd fret on string 5, and then going to the 2nd fret. Okay, I'm going to play it a little bit faster with some of the rhythm. And again, if you just need to pause the video and practice that a few times, then please do. But here we go. Fantastic. Keep practicing and I promise the speed will come. Let's jump on to the 3rd rock song today, which is called Sunshine of Your Love. And this song is featured in School of Rock. So we're going to start the 3rd fret on string 2, and we're going to play this one twice. Then to the first fret, back to the third, and then we're going to move on to string 3, fret 2, first fret, then open 4th string, and then the 3rd fret, and back to open. Again, if you need to pause the video and practice this, I recommend running through it at least 5 times. Now I'm going to add some of the rhythm in and play it a little bit faster so you know what to work towards. Okay, here we go. If you've made it to the end of this video, I just want to honor and congratulate you, because most people don't. And I know you have what it takes to be the next guitar star, and you're doing the work. So I just want to appreciate and acknowledge that. And people need more music in the world right now. So you're going to be one of those people who's going to move this forward and inspire other people with your guitar playing. I just quickly want to jump in here and tell you about my new program, my new online course called Guitar Star in 30 Days. I'd love to have you there. I'd love to have you in the course. We already have a lot of people who are desperately interested in Guitar Star. So for those who would love to do more with me, then Guitar Star could be for you. We're making the choice to be successful on the guitar, and we learn about all the skills involved in guitar playing. We learn the best choice of guitar for you on a budget. We also learn how to play songs, and we learn how to stay consistent and confident and not give up. I want to be with you on this journey. I would feel completely honored if you had me as your teacher. I want to be with you, cheering you on and showing you how to learn songs and incredible skills on the guitar. Now, if you are still watching me, then I know this is for you. We do lessons just like this every day over the next 30 days. It's time to get yourself in Guitar Star in 30 days. Sign up now and get my Guitar Star in 30 Days program with a lifetime access. You know, the true magic is how you show up and care about your learning and your playing. Be quick to sign up. We only enroll every year a select number of students, and some people won't be getting this. So be sure now to click the link and secure your place.
Let your light shine.